Ready to take your influencer game to a whole new level? With Excelify, you'll not only conquer the subscription chaos but also revolutionize the way you connect with your community. Let's dive deeper into some incredible use cases that'll leave your followers in awe. Imagine having a chatbot that actively engages with your community 24/7. Excelify's chatbots can initiate conversations, ask questions, and create a lively atmosphere where your followers feel heard and valued. It's like having a perpetual virtual party with you as the guest of honor. But it doesn't stop there. Streamline your support efforts. Instead of losing track of countless emails and DMs, a customized chatbot can handle basic support queries, provide relevant information, and even direct users to specific resources. It's like having a support superhero on your team, ready to save the day. You could also create your knowledge base assistant. As an influencer, you possess a wealth of knowledge, and Excelify helps you share it effectively. By creating a no-code chatbot, you can curate a comprehensive knowledge base, providing instant access to tutorials, tips, and FAQs. Your followers will appreciate the quick and easy access to your expertise. And now you can personalize the member experience. Want your followers to feel like VIPs? With Excelify, you can create chatbots that greet each member by name, offer personalized recommendations, and send tailored messages based on their interests. It's like giving each follower a front-row seat to your influencer journey. So, why settle for mediocrity when you can excel with Excelify? It's time to unleash the power of AI-driven chatbots and witness the incredible impact on your influencer career. Don't let FOMO hold you back. So, what are you waiting for, fellow influencers? Excelify is your secret weapon to conquering the subscription chaos, engaging your community, and staying ahead of the game. Join the influencer revolution and witness the power of customized chatbots. So, whether you're an aspiring influencer or a seasoned pro, Excelify is your ultimate partner in reaching chatbot goals. Don't let FOMO consume you. Embrace the power of new AI chat models and watch your engagement soar.